Imagine this, it's 2025, you're at the gate, feeling confident, until a stern airline agent steps forward. "Excuse me, that bag is too big." Suddenly your dream trip spirals into a carry-on nightmare. Fees, stress, missed flights. Why does this happen, and more importantly, how can you avoid it? Today we're exposing the carry-on secrets airlines don't want you to know for 2025 and 2026, so your bag never gets flagged again. Stick around, your peace of mind and wallet depends on it. Here's the frustrating truth. Carry-on rules are a minefield. They constantly change, vary wildly between airlines, even within the same airline for different ticket classes. And airport staff? They often have the final, unchallengeable say. This isn't just about size, it's about weight, personal items, and even how you look carrying your bag. So the question is, why are these rules so inconsistent, and what's really going on behind the scenes? Secret number 1, the gate agent has ultimate power. They're often tasked with spotting oversized bags to reduce delays and generate revenue. That sizer at the gate? It's not just a guideline, it's a trap. If your bag doesn't easily slide in and out, even if it technically fits the dimensions, they can flag it. Why? Because the overhead bin might be smaller, or they need to free up space. And speaking of space, always try to make your bag look smaller than it is. Avoid overstuffing to the point of bulging. Many airlines allow one carry-on and one personal item. Your personal item, backpack, laptop bag, purse, is your secret weapon. Maximize its use, but know its limits. It must fit under the seat in front of you. But what about what's inside? Why do some everyday items get your bag flagged at security? It's not just liquids. Certain powders, gels, and even oddly shaped electronics can trigger a closer look and unnecessary delays. Remember the 311 rule for liquids, but also be aware of large quantities of powders, over 350 ml/12 Oz. Keep all electronics easily accessible for quick removal at security. Avoid packing liquids in your carry-on that don't meet the 311 rule. So, how do you beat the system? Here are 5 pro packing hacks. Always check the exact dimensions. Don't guess. Look up your specific airline and ticket type. Invest in a soft shell bag. Hard shell luggage can't flex. Soft bags have a little give, which can make all the difference in a sizer. Roll, don't fold. Rolling clothes saves space and reduces wrinkles. Wear your bulkiest items. Put on your heaviest jacket and shoes. That space is free. Distribute the weight. If your carry-on is heavy, move some items to your personal bag. Weight limits are real, especially on budget airlines. Alright, fellow travelers, you've heard our secrets and hacks. Now, it's your turn. What's your craziest carry-on story? Did you get caught? Did you find a genius loophole? Or maybe you have an airline secret you want to share. Drop your best carry-on tips or nightmare stories in the comments below. We read everything, and your insights help everyone fly smarter. Here's a secret that's rarely spoken. How you present yourself can subtly influence how agents interact with you. While it shouldn't matter, looking calm, organized, and slightly polished can sometimes make a difference. An agent might be less likely to scrutinize a neatly packed, unassuming bag carried by someone who looks prepared versus an overflowing, messy backpack held by a frantic passenger. It's an unfair reality, but perception matters. It also makes you feel more confident. A calm demeanor and a neat appearance won't let you bypass rules, but they can definitely smooth interactions. Navigating carry-on rules can be stressful, but with these insider secrets and packing hacks, you're now armed to avoid those airport nightmares. Fly smarter, save money, and get to your destination without a single bag-related delay. If this video helped you conquer your carry-on fears, please hit that like button, subscribe to my Sky Help for more essential travel wisdom, and share it with every traveler you know. And remember, if your flight gets delayed, canceled, or you face any travel issues, my Sky Help is always here to fight for your compensation. Visit miskihelp.com today and let us handle the hassle.